Good morning. So this is the last of the pastry. I've made some croissants out of this. So I've cut them into triangles. They're roughly 9 centimeters by about 27 centimeters long. And what I've done is, this is a very expensive implement. It's actually a brush handle that I've just cut with the saw, and I use it as a small rolling pin. So I've just going to flatten the very end of the croissant here with it. And then I'm going to stretch the pastry. So you're stretching it very, very gently. You don't want to stress the pastry and you don't want to tear it. So I'm going to just turn this thinned piece in, and I'm just going to roll it back and forth to get it thin, and then I'm very gently, almost like doing the breaststroke, just going to move forward and then stop. So I'm not stressing, and then I'm going to catch the pastry on either side and literally just roll it up with my fingers, nice and gentle. Okay, there's the croissant, nice little tapered ends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 feet. Okay, so these ones here I've already elongated, you can see them here. So I'm going to do the same, just going to stretch the pastry very, very gently. Okay, you don't want to tear it. This is very important. You're establishing a foot, and then almost like I'm doing the breaststroke, I'll bring it into camera view here, just move forward, stop. Okay, and then with your 2 fingers just rotate. Okay, and then press down. Okay, so move forward with the rest of them. So it should be a nice long triangle, similar to the Eiffel Tower in shape. See it here? It's like the Eiffel Tower. Some people like to split the croissant. You can see there, some people like to split it. And if you do that, it just extends the base a little bit more. You can pull it out. See it there? So I'm going to stretch, pull it out, just overlap with my thumbs. Same again, I'm just going to roll that. Okay, stop, pull. So some croissant makers like to have a crescent shaped croissant like that. I suppose my personal favorite is the straight one. So I'm gonna, here we go. Yeah, we're still on the air. So we're not actually rolling the croissant, okay? At the end, you're literally just tucking it up, because if you do that, you're going to stress the pastry. The other important thing about a croissant, how do you know you're rolling it correctly? When you pick it up by the tip, it should unfurl completely. See that? So there shouldn't be any stress on the pastry. If you do stress the pastry, what happens is when it's proofing, it tears. So you want to avoid that and maintain the shape right through proof and bake. So let's see, we'll just get all these guys together. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are ones I just elongated. I stretched them out a little bit earlier. Press down. Last ones now. This is the second last one. So I'll post pictures of these guys when they're proofed and baked later on. I'm baking at home. I'm using a Rofco oven that I bought there just before Christmas. Not a convection oven, so I'll be baking them at around 200 degrees. And here you are. These are the croissants. Nice and easy. So I'm going to prove all these and bake them off later, and I'll post the pictures online. Thanks for watching. Bye.